Okay, this is day 3. We're in Corona, New Mexico here. We're both really early risers, so it's only 7 in the morning. And we're gonna go to Socorro because we're gonna go down the, the west side of the state. We're gonna go over to Reserve, and then we're gonna go to Silver City, and then we're gonna go home. And it's gonna be a whole bunch of driving.
Yes, I can't wait. The car's ready to do it, and we're all ready to go.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
After yesterday, I think he has a lot more confidence.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, I'm just like giving the car a few minutes to warm up, and then we're gonna go.
Cool.
All right, let's do this. Okay, so it's about 2 hours later?
Yeah.
And we're here in Socorro.
We're eating that lot of burger. We're getting ready to go to Reserve.
Yeah, we're gonna stop here for breakfast now that it's 9 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna get some breakfast burritos, and we'll get some fuel and start the rest of the way to Reserve. So, what do you think about the drive?
I think it's great. We've been staying off the interstate, enjoying the small towns and narrow road. This small car has been a blast.
Yeah, this car is doing pretty good. It's right behind us right there. It's been doing real well. Getting good fuel mileage. We stopped in Carrizozo and got gas, and it was getting almost 25 miles to the gallon?
Yeah, almost 25 miles.
So now we'll top off here because I don't know the gas situation between here and Reserve. Better to have too much than not enough. So, yeah. But we're gonna have some breakfast and then we'll get going again. All right, so if you can look down the road here, we're on US 60 now. We're going into the mountains, and then we're gonna stop up here and look at the VLA. There's big dishes out here off this road that are radio telescopes. So we're gonna go and we're gonna look at what's going on over here before we, and just after the VLA, we're gonna cut over to Reserve, and we're gonna go and get a commemorative drink for our friend Bob. He always wanted me to go with a road trip with him over here, and I was always so busy and I never had the time. So now that me and Philip have the time, we're gonna go have a nice drink for him. So we're gonna get after it right now. So good to go. Okay, so we're here. What do you think, Philip?
I think this is cool.
We're at the VLA. There's the big antennas, and we're gonna do the walking tour of what they have out here.
Yeah, this is gonna be cool.
So we're at the visitor center right here. We're gonna walk around, and of course, my dumbass jumped out of the car without a hat, so we can't make this too long. So we're gonna walk around and show you some of the stuff out here. So we're gonna get going on that. What do you think?
I think those are very big antennas.
Yeah?
Wonder how much porn we watched. Oh, I shouldn't have said that.
We did that all so we could get the Skinamax channels for free.
The Cinemax channel for free. Skinamax. Oh,
You want to walk over there and take a look at it?
that would be really cool.
All right, let's
Maybe
walk
we can
over.
catch it spinning.
It was spinning a little bit ago. Maybe we'll get up close and see if we can see it. They get a line with that over there, and they can just step across, or if they can't get to it, they can climb that ladder. It's pretty cool. Look at all the rest of them. I don't know if they can see this on the camera, but they're all turning at the same time. See, look at it, it's lifting and turning down. Right, the ladder is lined for getting up in there. It's pretty cool, man. Man, this is fun. Definitely stuff my wife would be interested in. How about yours?
My wife would be interested with me, but she wouldn't do it by herself.
Yeah. Well, cool. Let's go continue the walking tour.
Okay.
All right, we're just getting done. What did you think, Philip?
I thought it was very neat. I liked how they explained the history of the satellites and how they're being used today. It's really awesome.
And it's literally out in the middle of nowhere. So we're going to continue our little trip to Reserve, and then from Reserve to Silver City, and then home.
Yeah.
So I think we got about another hour or so to get to Reserve. So we're going to get after it. Let's keep this day trip going. So we're on the road to Reserve still, but look at out in front of us how it's changed. It's like pine forest over here. We're not really cruising too hard. We're just kicking it easy. We're just doing it easy. But this is some good road out here.
Yeah.
Once again, I've been told by people that there's no driving roads out in New Mexico. I very strongly disagree with them. There's some good driving roads. They're just not real technical. So I just wanted to show you guys this. This is just badass. What do you think, Philip?
I think it's just been very comfortable, with a very relaxing day in the car. We stop when we want to stop, go when we want to go, and do what we want to do. So it's been good.
No arguing.
No.
Everyone gets what they want. And we're pretty easy going with each other. So
Yeah.
that's just a little traveling update. All right, we just got done eating at Bill's Bar in honor of my good friend Bob. He always talked about coming here and having a nice cold beer and relaxing, and told me a lot of good stories about this time. I don't got enough time to talk about all the stories, but we're here to Bob. So
Oh yeah.
now we're gonna go. It's like 4 hours home from here, so we're gonna go to Silver City.
Yeah. Silver City, take us a break and keep on running.
Welcome, welcome. Okay, so we just left Silver City, and this is the train we're in now. It looks like there's a rainstorm coming in, and it looks like there's a hubby off on this horizon. But the drive down on US 180 was pretty good. What did you say, Philip?
Yeah, it was a really good road. It wasn't as bumpy as the other road, but it was great.
Yeah, it was pretty good. On that stretch, we were just cruising. We got the best gas mileage of the trip. We were almost getting 26 miles to the gallon.
That was awesome.
So now we're going to Hatch. We gave a promise. Even though we're going to Las Cruces, we go hit Deming, go straight in Las Cruces. No interstates.
Yes.
So,
None.
what do you think of that idea?
Thinking of that idea, thinking it's awesome.
So we're gonna go over to Hatch, and then you can drive from Hatch all the way to my house, and then right off the road that my house is on, you can go straight into the house, never hit an interstate.
Oh wow, that's cool. I can't wait to do it, man.
So, all right, this is what we're doing now, just cruising out here, going towards Deming. We also found, what are they?
Little Debbie cookies.
Oatmeal cookies. Fantastic. So, snacks in this, and this is our longest day of driving so far. We've done what, about 400 miles already?
Yeah.
No, yeah, about 400. We got another 100 to go. So that's a little bit of an update on our situation right now. Now the wind's starting to kick up, so I should probably pay attention to what I'm doing. So, thank you, sir. All right, guys, we're back here in Las Cruces, and we got both the cars in the garage. We got the town car and the Subaru. Tomorrow, the town car will be doing all the work. But so we ended up. What did we end up doing? We left Corona this morning at 7.
Yep.
Stopped for gas in Carrizozo.
Yep.
Had breakfast. Had breakfast in Socorro.
Yep.
At Lotta Burger. Wasn't that good? That was
a really good burrito.
Yeah.
Ate on that all day long.
And then we went to the VLA.
Yep. Had a blast there.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then we went to Reserve, New Mexico.
Had a good beer, some good shots.
Gave a little bit of a tribute to Bob. Me and Bob had always wanted to go to Reserve. So we did a drink for our homie.
Yep.
Then we drove to Silver City, got more gas. This thing here, the last time we got gas in it was getting about 25 miles to the gallon.
Heck yeah.
What do we put what? 1, 2,
4 times.
3, really 3 tanks of gas?
Yeah, 3 tanks of gas, yeah.
Yeah, 3 tanks of gas. Would you want to do a road trip in that one again?
Yes, I would. Yeah, I definitely would. You work on your suspension, and I think it'll be a really fun ride.
I think I'm going to lower it a little bit in the front, do some body work, but it wasn't too bad.
No, it was not bad at all. You didn't feel cramped. It was good air conditioning, and I had fun.
Yeah, this one has a better air conditioner.
Oh yes, definitely.
This one here has a way better.
The boat.
But is it really a boat, or is it just a...
It's a fun car.
Both cars are fun, though.
Yeah, each car has their own capability, and they do their capabilities well.
Those country roads that we were down yesterday, would you want to have been in the... Which one?
I would have down the country roads, definitely the Lincoln, the hills and the corners, the Subaru.
The hills and the corners of the Subaru?
Yep.
This thing just holds a corner like no other machine. Maybe a Porsche.
Maybe.
But so anyways, thank you for watching this small series of videos. Tomorrow he goes home at 10 o'clock in the morning.
Heck yeah.
Maybe we'll shoot another video of us.
Maybe. That would be fun, shooting the home video.
Going home, yeah. In the video the way we started. So, but thanks for watching the videos. It's been fun. What did you think? You've never vlogged before. What did you think?
I think this is pretty cool, man.
Pretty cool? Not too hard, is it?
No.
You just got to learn how to aim the camera.
Yeah.
So, alrighty. Thanks guys for watching. We're going to go in and do some laundry and do nothing the rest of the night.
Heck yeah.
Because we're tired from driving. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Bye.